Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I want to show you how these downspout extensions, these are very cheap ones but help a lot to protect your house. See, I have connected it to my gutter. Do you hear? What is this? The water is falling because yesterday there was snowstorm severe. Even today morning there was some snow falling, and all the snow accumulated on my roof, they are melting. Okay, now see where it's leading. You see the clean flow of water? Yeah, so it's going away from my foundation. And although I have sealed my foundation, as you can see the seal there, but too much moisture you don't want over there, because if moisture gets into your basement, you will have like tough time getting it off, or sometimes you may need to hire professionals to fix it. If you want to avoid such heavy bills, the simple things like I have two, one here, both. See, both are for going away from my foundation, so none of these are gonna impact me. So with this simple methods, it's definitely gonna help you out. So thanks for watching this guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.